Before you buy another cheap toolkit, take a look at this. This is the HOTO 40 piece toolkit, and what makes it different isn't the number of tools. It's the fact that everything you actually need for common home projects is packed into one organized case. The standout feature is the electric screwdriver. If you've ever spent 20 minutes assembling furniture or tightening dozens of screws by hand, you'll immediately appreciate it. It has 3 torque settings, a built-in LED light, and enough power for most everyday jobs around the house. I also like how organized everything is. Instead of searching through drawers for a screwdriver, hammer, or hex key, every tool has its own place, making quick repairs much less frustrating. Now, it's not perfect. If you're a contractor, mechanic, or someone doing heavy-duty work every day, this isn't a replacement for professional power tools. The electric screwdriver is designed for convenience, not maximum power. But for homeowners, renters, students, or anyone who wants a clean, modern toolkit for furniture assembly and basic repairs, this is one of the better options I've seen. Overall, you're paying for convenience, organization, and a surprisingly useful electric screwdriver, not just a box full of tools. If you want to check the latest price or read customer reviews, I've put the link in the description.